now that we got this fully put back together, let's test it out. Okay, so I've got both units put together now, and I did the other one off screen, and the only difference between the two I seen, which I thought was kind of weird, was the one that you've been seeing me put together did not have a shielding piece that went across here, where this one over here does. So I don't know if that was a design change, but the other odd thing I noticed was this one that I did off camera also didn't have the shielding plate over the heatsink, and this one did. Other than that, they went together the same way. This one of course had some stainless screws here, and this one had some black screws here. So they're a little different, but nothing too major, just a little weird with the heat shielding. But anyway, this is the one we're going to start first. It's got the disc inside. We'll see what happens when I start it up. So let me grab the power cord. Go ahead and put power in right here. Okay, we got a green light. And then I got one of the controllers. So what I'm going to need to do is probably sync it up. I'm assuming. Oh, it's already connected. So let's go ahead and try and eject this. Alright, disc was put in upside down, but it's a Wii Resort. Let's just go ahead and put it in and see what it does. Spinning. Seems to be working just fine so far. Okay, I'll let that boot up. Alright. Wii Resort popped up. And then I'm trying to get this Wii remote to work, and it doesn't quite seem to be connecting. I don't know if the sensor's bad or what, so I'll be right back and get a new controller that I know is working, and we'll try it again. Okay, changed out controllers, and I think the issue was I was just too close to the sensor bar. I put in the new controller, same issues, but once I backed away, I was able to. Get the motion controls to work. So overall, it looks like this is a good unit. I'll test it out some more off camera and see how it works. But other than that, we will check out the other unit. So first console seems to be working great. So we're going to go ahead and move to the next console and see if this one's working just as good. Okay, we have a red light here, so it's coming on. It's a good sign. Okay, so I got this powered on, got the Wiimote synced, but turned on just fine. Let's go ahead and put in a disc and see if it takes it. So far so good. Alright, and it seems to be working just fine. Looks like we got two working consoles. For $25, I got 2 working consoles. We still got the controllers to go through and clean, but other than that, looks like a pretty good deal. I will test this out off camera, and then we will get to putting this all back together. Now that we got these units tested, let's put it back together. Now I had a few issues getting the screws back in, basically putting them in the right place. So I put them together off camera, and now I got them fully assembled, and they are looking really good. They're clean. I got most of the scratches out, all the scuffs, and they almost look brand new. I mean, I would be very happy to pick this up in this condition. I'm going to be selling these. I might keep one of them, but I will sell the other one, and I will make the next video cleaning up and taking apart the controllers and probably the power supply, just to make sure there's no dust built up in there. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.